Hi Mike, what are you doing today?
Hi, Joe. My family and I are going to the lake. We're going to have a picnic.
That sounds like fun.
Do you want to join us?
May I? I would love to join. Today in this video I am showing you an application which will help you to improve your English speaking. English teachers, professors in English, professionals in English, everyone says that you need to practice again and again to speak English fluently. Some people have a pretty good knowledge in English, but they can't speak English properly. That's due to lack of practice. This mobile app will provide a solution for you guys. The app has more than 5 million downloads on the Play Store and has a very good rating, more than 4.6. Guys, this can really help you with your conversation skills. This app is completely free and there is no logins, no signups, no passwords, emails, nothing. It's very easy, very user friendly. That's why I'm recommending it for you guys. Just download it from the Play Store and use it. I have put the link in the description below. You guys can click it and download it from the Play Store. Okay, now let's get into the demo and I'll teach you how to use this application. After you open this app, you can see some topics when you scroll up and down as trips and vacations, eating related topics, family and friends, talking about kids. Okay, I'll choose trips and vacations. And again, you have to choose a topic out of these topics. Going to the lake, going to the zoo. I'm going to choose picnic by the lake. Now here you can see 4 tabs as listen, quiz, practice and record. Out of these 4, listen and practice is the most important tabs. Now you can see the conversation between Joe and Mike. Picnic by the lake. In the first tab, you can listen to the conversation carefully. This tab is very important. Listen to the style of speaking. Listen to how they speak. Listen when to stop and when to start in a conversation. Listen to their accent of speaking. You can't just say, "Hi Mike, what are you doing today?" No, you have to say, "Hi Mike, what are you doing today?" You can listen.
Hi, Mike. What are you doing today?
Hi, Joe. My family and I are going to the lake. We're going to have a picnic.
That sounds like fun.
Do you want to join us?
May I? I would love to join.
That's the way of speaking. So listen to the conversation carefully. The next tab is the quiz. In this tab, you can see some questions related to the conversation. If you like, you can answer them too. It's your choice. The next tab is practice. This is the other most important tab. So there are 2 characters, Joe and Mike. You can choose anyone to be your partner. So if you choose Mike to be your partner, you will become Joe. All the dialogues of Joe are supposed to be repeated by you. They will be highlighted and Mike's are going to be great. So I am going to pick Mike as the partner and I will become Joe. So I choose Mike. Hi Mike, what are you doing today?
Hi, Joe. My family and I are going to the lake. We're going to have a picnic.
That sounds like fun.
Do you want to join us?
May I? I would love to join.
Sure. We are leaving at 10:30.
Okay, let me ask my parents. What should I bring?
You should pack swim trunks and a life jacket.
Okay, how about food?
My parents are going to pack some food. there will be plenty for you too.
Thanks. I'll be back as soon as possible.
Try to come back before 10:30.
I will. If I can't go, I'll call you.
I hope you can come with us.
Me too. I have no plans today.
See you soon.
I hope so. You see, it's very easy and fun. No one is watching you. You don't need to be shy. You can listen and speak with proper vocabulary and practice. You can do this in your free time, when you're on the bed, when you're using your phone. It just takes about 5 to 10 minutes to do this. It's a small conversation. Do it for about 1 to 2 months. Without any effort or time, you cannot gain success. You can't speak English from one night. Miracles don't happen. You can use this app to practice daily. I'm sure it will improve your speaking. Now we are moving to the record tab. In this tab, you can record your speaking by pressing the mic in the bottom. Once you press that, it's going to record your conversation. And after recording, you can listen to it again. Now let's see. Hi Mike, what are you doing today?
Hi, Joe. My family and I are going to the lake. We're going to have a picnic.
That sounds like fun.
Do you want to join us?
May I? I would love to join. After recording, you can compare your recordings with the original and improve your speaking. I'm sure you got an idea of this app. I'm sure it will help you to develop your speaking. If you have any questions or issues, you can drop it on the comment section. Bye for now. Thanks for watching this video on Anglo IT. If you have any questions, post them on the comment section. Let me help you. If you feel like this video helped you, please give it a like, share with your friends, or even consider subscribing for more of our videos. If you like to join our community, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. You can find links for all of these below in the description.